Hey guys, this is Just Running Trains. In this video, we are celebrating 300 subscribers. Yes, 300. We have hit over 300 subscribers now. I am very happy with this channel's progress to get here. Would never imagine we'd be here so fast. So I wanted to do something special to honor this. So I decided to let you guys pick the trains. Yes, I put out a few community posts recently and a short asking what trains you guys would want to run in this video. And we got 5 responses, so we are going to be running 5 different sets of trains. Some of the sets have multiple engines and some only have one. So the first suggestion is actually kind of a combination of 2. So Liam Kostick requested my Pensy stuff along with my N&W J class. And then Crazy Mogera requested the J class. So I thought let's combine them and run my Pensy stuff and the J class at the same time as both. So I got my MTH Rail King Pensy Mikado, my MTH Rail King Rugged Rails MTH 280, and my MTH Norfolk and Western J-Class number 611, also a Rail King model. So really going big on the MTH Rail King steam. So let's go. Well, that was fun. Now on to the next train. Alright, so our next suggestion is from Strasbourg Steam Productions, who has been a subscriber for quite a while now. He's a great channel. Go check out his stuff. But so he requested that I run this MPC or a Chessie Steam Special which I have the passenger cars for too. So this is going to look real nice in the layout, and I've never ran it on the layout before, so I'm excited for that. So let's run it. Alright, well that was awesome. Alright, so these next two were suggested by Dean W4014. He suggested the K-Line Conrail GG1 and the RMT Alaska Beep. So, let's run them. Well, those were really cool to see together, and I think they looked really good in the layout. Our next request is from Nate the Train Guy, who requested Santa Fe locomotives. So I'm going to run my Menards Santa Fe Black Bonnet, my NTH Santa Fe Dash 8, and my Lionel Lion Chief Santa Fe U36B. So let's go. Well, that was some fun, big Santa Fe power. Now let's get on to our last engine. So, the last train was chosen by Aaron Fernandez. He chose the RBP Trains Katy engine, which I chose to end this video with since I love this engine. It's probably my favorite engine of all time in my entire fleet. So, this is just such a beautiful, beautiful engine, and I can't wait to run it here at the layout with all the accompanying cars. So, let's go. Well, this is a really fun video to make. I really enjoyed letting you guys choose the trains. You know, I got to run some different stuff that I wouldn't have picked myself probably, and it was just really fun to do to celebrate 300 subscribers. I don't think there's a better way to do it. So thank you to all the people who have subscribed, watch these videos, just support this channel. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching, and remember to always just run trains. See you next time.